subscribers, welcome back to my channel. How is everybody doing today? If you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome back. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, if you like what you see, please consider subscribing and join the family. I would love to have you here. And to all my new subscribers, I really appreciate you guys for deciding to click that subscription button and join the family. God bless you. Today is going to be my September budget with me. I know today is September 4. Yes, but well, it's okay. So yeah, I'm going to be going over my budget with you guys. And yeah, if this is something that you like to watch, then keep on watching. So I'm going to go to my monthly view right now. I can't see what I'm doing. Okay, so this is what my monthly view is looking like. I'm going to move my decorations out of the way. Well, I don't know if you can notice that I'm recording in a different location today. Yeah, we have guests over, so I couldn't record in my location I used to record. I have to do this in my bathroom. So if you see anything different, that's why. So yeah, I'm going to get me a desk so I can be doing this in my bedroom. So I got these printables from the Crafty Budgeter, and yeah, I like the color that she chose for this month. It's very it looks kind of summery, but I like it. So yeah, so I already went ahead to write all my bills out on my calendar, and I am loving what it's looking like. It's not so clumsy. So I have everything written in green as the ones that comes out of my husband's account, and everything in pink comes out of my account. So we have a bill coming out on the 1st. Well, that's a credit card coming out on the 1st, and on the 2nd, nothing else comes out until the 5th, and then on the 7th, then the 10th, 16th, 19th, and 21st. So this is everything that is going to be automatically taken out of our accounts for the month of September. And I'm pretty sure, yeah, I know Chase already came out. This Discover, this is our medical account. It already came out. Car insurance came out as well. Yeah. So here on the side, I'm going to write my goals down for the month. I want to have at least 12 no spends. I hope I can make it through this month. Then I want to continue to meal prep. It does help me with my grocery budget. And my third goal is to exercise more. Guys, I exercise more. I am so lazy in exercising, and I want to challenge myself this month. Then the categories that I'm going to be using this month, I'm going to be using only 3 categories. I will be scratching off miscellaneous this month because, okay, our electricity bill this month was super high. It was $201. So in order to make room for the rest of our budget, I have to make some adjustments. So I'm going to be doing away with miscellaneous for this month. I don't know. That's the highest we've paid this summer, and it's just ridiculous. $201. And even though I make sure the kids don't leave the lights on and stuff like that, I don't do laundry during the day, but still we are going to pay $200 for electricity bills. That is just super, I don't know. So I'm only going to be doing groceries, gas, and takeout this month. So these are my 3 categories for this month, and I'm going to be color coding them. So I'm going to use blue for groceries. I'm going to be using blue for my groceries when I do my weekly check-ins and track my spending. I'm going to be using yellow for gas. And I don't know if you can see that. It's not showing very well. And I'm going to be using orange for takeout. So yeah, that is going to be it. And down here in the notes, My babies, we only have one birthday this month. My youngest, my little baby, is gonna be turning 3 in September in about 2 weeks. So her name is Angel. Angel's birthday, September 23rd, is her birthday. So yeah, that's the only thing I'm writing here. Yeah. Now I'm going to move to my budget page, guys. Here, yes. So if you notice that my voice is a little bit going back and forth, it's because I'm looking at my cheat sheet on the side, so I don't miss the numbers that I'm writing down. I'm going to put my paper on the side here and just reference it. So what I'm budget, if you are new here, I get paid once a month. So I do one budget a month. And my husband, since he's been on deployment, this is what we've been doing, and we want to continue to do it this way. He sends some money into a different bank account that takes care of bills around the house, and I just take care of the bills that comes out of my account. So he sends some money into that account. So I'm gonna put everything together with my income and whatever he sends to me, and it's not going to be all of my income. And we don't talk about some other things here like our mortgage and so on, because it takes care of those stuff. So I'm just going to put income, and I'm going to put everything that I'm working with, which is going to be $4,190. That's what I'm working with this month. It's gonna remain pretty much the same thing unless I have a promotion or something like that. So $4,190 is what we're working with. And we did consolidated some of our credit cards, the ones that have some big interest rates, because my credit union offered us a really, really low rate, I think 3.25%. And so our credit cards are now different. We don't have some anymore, and we still have some. So I think it's time for me to do a debt confession video. I'm going to be talking in more details about our credit card debts and how we are planning to pay them off. So, but the rest of our credit cards I'm going to group together. So I'm going to say credit card. So I'm going to go ahead and write all this down, and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, I'm back. I have everything written out here. All of our credit cards is $994. Then we have Disney Plus, our car insurance, AT&T, which is our internet. OG&E is electricity. Look at that, $201, guys. That's a lot. Utility is $96.67. Usually we don't pay this much, but this month I think we use too much water. I don't know. And then Hello Mobile is grandma's phone bill, $17.50. Thrift is this kind of this contribution group that I belong to, that I make every month, $75. Then I put buffer and extra, like whatever extra needs to come out that I'm not accounting for right now, like unbudgeted. For my account and my husband's account, I put $200. And gas is $42.88. Then Cash App and PayPal, I do a direct deposit into my Cash App and my PayPal account, $50 this month. Usually I do 20, but I'm doing 50 this time around. Then Discover Medical, this is our medical account. We created this account when I had my twins 8 years ago, so we can take care of medical bills. So we just decided to keep, we don't have any medical bills right now. Well, I have one more that I have to pay, $100, that's it. But we decided to keep this account as our emergency fund. So I'm going to be talking details about this when I do my debt update depth video. So yeah, we're going to be converting this account into our emergency funds account. We have some money in there, so that is $380 a month. I don't know how we came up about this number, but that's what we've been doing for about 8 years now. So the total of everything here amounts to $2,220.28. So if I take that out of 4190, I have 1969.72. So now I'm coming to my variable expenses. Of course, groceries comes first. And I need to go to week so I can renew my baby's week benefits, because groceries is really just taking a lot of my money. So this month I'm budgeting $1,050 because of our African foods. So $1,050. We're a family of 7 and we have guests. We have a family friend visiting this month, so we need more food in the house. So $1,050 to groceries. Gas is going to be $100. This is just for me. My husband is taking care of himself. And then next is going to be takeout. I know my kids just love me down, but of late they've been wanting to go to Chick-fil-A. So now they are interested in Chick-fil-A. That's what we're going to be doing this month. They're tired of McDonald's. So yeah. And then I'm going to be budgeting for allowance, which is for me, the kids, and my mother-in-law. So that is a total of $170. $100 is my allowance, but $70 I'm going to distribute between grandma and the kids. So yeah, I'll give my mother-in-law just a token of money in the month. I just give it to her. So yeah. So total of all my monthly expense, my variable expense, amounts to $1,400. If I take that out of $1,969.72, I'm going to have $569.72. So this is what I have to work with for my sinking fund and my savings challenges and my travel binder. So sinking funds, savings challenges, so my sinking fund is going to be getting $270. Then my savings challenges will be getting $200 because I want to finish my 52-week challenge this month. And then I'm going to take everything that is remaining is what I'm going to put into my travel binder. It's not getting so much, but I have some money like leftover from last month that I'll be transferring into this travel binder. So yeah, so $569.72 minus 270 minus 200. So I'm going to have $99.72 left over. I'm putting everything into the travel budget. So which should leave us with $0. No, oh my goodness, I messed up, guys. This should be 500. I'm going to clean it up after this video. So it should be $569.72. I'm so sorry about this, guys. So taking this out of this should leave me with $0. So we are working with a zero-based budget here, guys. So this is my monthly budget right here. This is what it's looking like. Then the next page is my expense tracker. This whole package came in one bundle from the Crafty Budgeter, guys. Then next is my weekly check-in. Sorry, I'm trying to find my calendar so I can know what day to write there. So what I'm doing here is just filling out my weekly check-in, just so it can be ready for me whenever I start to do my weekly check-in, so I don't have to start doing this, okay? So I'm going to fill this out real quick and I'll be right back. So guys, I have my weekly check-in filled out. All I need to do is come here and do my weekly check-in. Look at that. So next is what the rest of these pages I don't have to do right now. I have my sinking funds page here that I'm going to be doing when I do my sinking funds update, my sinking funds cash stuffing, and as well as my debt breakdown page that I'm super excited to work with this page with you guys. So yeah, that is that about my budget. So guys, that is gonna be my so this is gonna be my September budget breakdown. I hope you've enjoyed watching me break down my budget with you guys. And if you have any questions about this printout, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to try and remember to link Brittany's Etsy shop in the description box so you can check this package out. It came with the front page that I did not include here because I just can't figure out where to put it. So it came with the calendar, it came with the budget sheet, the expense tracker, weekly check-in, sinking funds, and the debt tracker. I also have the cash breakdown that I forgot to print because I need it to take to the bank. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys sticking around with me. If you have any question, like I said, let me know in the comment section down below. Please, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to do so. We are so close to 500 subscribers. And I will be doing a giveaway when I reach 500. Please, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to do so. And if you have already, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend to subscribe and get us to 500 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye-bye.